pack leaders here, and friends are protecting families by protecting the pack. I have you on my goggles, so I am going to be repairing our Sequoia windshield wiper jet fluid. So say hi.
Hi.
Let me show you what we have right now. I'm putting my glasses on so I could kind of do work while you see at the same time what our current situation is and how pathetic our windshield thing. And you know, my wife's been kind of not liking this because she likes to have like clean windshields, and I didn't know what to do till now. So let's see. I tried cleaning it, and this is what happens. It shoots on the left side. The right side's just not really squirting anything. It's just puddling, whatever. Left side seems okay, but it could be better. So we're going to replace our nozzles with a new nozzle. Yes.
Why?
Apparently that one has two nozzles, I've noticed, and this one only has one nozzle. So I don't know if that's gonna be a big difference. Maybe it sprays wider, who knows. But it should be pretty universal. So based on what I've seen here, we just basically twist it off. Here. Look here. Comes on like this. There's a little gasket, right? Here, a little gasket.
Why?
And then this thing kind of twists on. So I'm kind of thinking that it's the same thing on the other side. Just pop those off, and we'll pop these guys in, and we should be good. So let's go ahead and get the hood popped back open. I have a missing thing, so I have to manually go in and unhook it. Here. It could be a long video, depending how fast I get my hood open. Here we go. Alright, so let's pull those lines out and let's get it done. So I think the lines yank right out. Yep. And then I think they just twist, but I'm actually having a hard time.
What are you doing?
I need to twist something. I might need a socket or something. It doesn't pinch or anything.
Yeah.
I might need a light. It's gonna be a on the job figuring out process here to twist it. Okay. Alright, so my kid's gonna run around and do this thing. I have to go get sockets. Let me see if it's any easier here. There's that. Oh, this might have a little. No, it's okay. There you go. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like I need to get a socket. Hey, Evan, don't throw it. You gotta break it, okay? No throwing. Alright. It'll be raw and uncut. Alright, get my keys. Here, get to the RV, get to my tools. See what I can do here. Some wrenches. We need some sockets. That's not a socket. Oh, it's on the other side. Other side. Evan, we don't throw it. It's not throwing. How we answer? We take care of it, okay? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Nope. And my socket. Come on, take it this way. Hopefully it doesn't get too dizzy for you since you're watching it through my face. Now if this doesn't go through, I'm just gonna maybe use some pliers and pull it. That's probably it. I'm gonna go with that route first actually. And I have that just right here. Oh. Alright, let's pull it. looks like it turns. Alright. That seems to do it, so it's twisting. There goes my boy throwing stuff again. Evan, what did Daddy tell you? You say yes, Daddy, and don't do it, okay? Let's see, is there any loose enough? Yes, loose enough now. But it doesn't seem to be popping off. So that's what I'm kind of trying to figure out here. Maybe it's a squeeze and pull. Or maybe you have to just break it off. Let's see. Simplest things seem to be so difficult sometimes. Alright, I think it's just snaps off. Well, I think it pulls through. Oh, there you go. That's how you do it. Takes a while to figure out. So it's like a twist and pull through. Oh, okay, so it just snaps right off. So it's a pinch and pull through. Okay, so hopefully that's helped. It's not a twist, it's a pinch and a pull through. So let's go ahead and pinch it with the other one and we'll pull it through. Pinch. There we go. That's easier now once you figure out how it functions. Pinch and pull through. Yeah. That makes life a lot easier. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the other ones here. And these are not pinch and pull throughs. These are screw ins. Get that on there. And there it is. Right there. And get this guy in the back. Tighten it. And we're back in business. Alright, let's get the other one. Alright, where did I put it? Oh, I hate that. Thought you had it and you put it somewhere and then it's gone. Oh well. Must have placed it somewhere So this is bad practice on putting your stuff away. Maybe it's my pocket, I don't know. The boys looking up our box. Alright, where did I put that thing? I have to reveal the video to figure out where I left it. Alright. So the tube's back in. That's good. And I'm having that stuff in here. That's my old part. Okay. And there's stuff anywhere. Strangest thing. Oh, there it is. It's on the floor. How did that happen? Okay, so now let's put the other piece in. It's a bigger hole. Might just cover the whole thing. I don't have water going into our engine. Yeah, we'll cover it just enough to. Okay, I might adjust the other side too, just so that I have water leaking into our engine. Put the tube back in. That looks pretty good. Tiny a little better. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Shift it back just a little bit. There you go. Alright, so let's see what we have now. Close it. And turn the car back on. See if this makes the wife happier. Oh yeah, it's just at the bottom. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna have to spray higher. Can we adjust that? I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that one out too. So, alright, thanks for watching. That's what it looks like. If you want to get that on Amazon, just click on the link below. I'm sure there's a way to adjust the nozzle. It should be universal. Let me see if I can do that. And I have some leakage here. Well, it doesn't look like it moves. Let's see. Alright, so if it works out for you, maybe when it shoots me further back here it makes more sense. But this nozzle, I don't think it works for us. It's so close and shoots so low, but it might be good. I don't know, maybe it shoots enough so that it gets water on there and then the thing can get pushed out. So we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.